Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about TikTok ads, and in this video I will show you on how to pay for TikTok ads on your phone securely. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is open up your TikTok app. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on your profile icon. And go ahead and select a post on your TikTok account. So I'm going to use this particular post right here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on More Insight. Click on More Insight. And scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down right here. Then go ahead and click on Customize. Then you are going to be taken right here. So you have to choose a promotion package. So if you want to reach maximum of 3,000 plus people, you are paying this, which is 810 naira. Okay. If you want to reach more than 9,000, you are paying this. If you want to reach more than 16,000 plus, you are paying this. So choose any of the package that is suitable for you. Then scroll down right here and then go ahead and click on See Price Detail right here. And you see details about your payment, your subtotal, the sufficient, then the tax and the total amount you are paying. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Pay and Start Promotion. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about how to run TikTok ads on your phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.